Quick muffins in a skillet. Dr. John A. Allocca. October 7, 24. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. 1 1/4 cups water. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 1/4 cup organic extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons honey. 1/4 cup whole pumpkin seeds. 2 cups organic unbleached white flour. 1 teaspoon xanthan gum. 1 tablespoon baking powder. Preheat a 12-inch covered skillet with a thick bottom at low to medium temperature. In a bowl, add water, salt, oil, and honey. Mix well with a wooden spoon or spatula. Add the remaining ingredients. Mix well. Using a serving spoon, spoon small amounts of dough approximately 3 inches in diameter into the skillet, cover, and cook for approximately 4 to 5 minutes or until the bottom is slightly brown. Uncover the skillet and turn over the muffins. Cook for another 5 minutes or until the bottom is slightly brown. It should make 7 muffins. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on the Andromeda Connection, a journey to physical and mental wellness.